Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see class 5 maths, chapter number 6, the dairy farm. Okay, in this lesson, all we are going to learn about the tactics of multiplication. Okay, so in this chapter, the entire chapter, we are going to learn how to multiply very easily using different methods. Okay, so we will see the page one by one. Before that, I have started taking tuition daily. So if you want to join the tuition, you WhatsApp me to this number 74186 19174. For class 5, it is monthly 600. So you can join the tuition, and this is the timetable for class 3, 4 and 5. Interested students can WhatsApp me to this number 74186 19174, or if you need only worksheet for your exam practice, then I have given the link in the description box. Click that link and select worksheet option. I'll send you worksheets. Okay. So now we will go into the chapter, the dairy farm. By now we know several multiplication facts. We also learned how to multiply two numbers. Yes, we know how to multiply two numbers. For example, if you have 20 and if you want to multiply with 5, so 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10. So easily we know how to multiply it. Okay, we will continue to explore different way of multiplying this chapter. So now what we are going to do, we are going to see the different methods of multiplying one by one. Okay, so multiplication is very important, students. So this chapter is going to play a very important role in your upcoming examination. So we watch the entire video carefully. Okay, first let us think. The given shape stands for numbers between 1 and 24. The same shape denotes the same number across all problems. Find the number hidden in all the shapes. Okay, so what they are telling, there is one hidden numbers in each shapes, and it is between 1 and 24. And for example, if I am giving a number to rectangle, it goes to all the rectangle with same numbers. Okay, so let's do this. It is going to be very interesting. So I'm going to name the rectangle 3 and circle 4. Okay, 3 fours are 12. So wherever I have a triangle, I'm going to give 12, 12, and circle I'll be giving 4, and for rectangle 3. Okay, so now 3 threes are 9, and we have 12 here. So for this shape I'm going to give 2. So 2 6 are 12. So diamond we have 6. So we have diamond here 6, and again one more diamond 6. So when we will get 6, so 6 ones are 6. Again 2 here. Then 4 2. So here also 2. 4 twos are 8, and this shape again 8. 8 threes are 24. 12 twos are 24. Okay, so now we have completed this. Place 2, 5 and 3 appropriately to get the product close to 100. So what we have to do, we need to place these digits 2, 5 and 3 appropriately, but the product should come more than 100. So that is the concept here. So we will do one by one and see for which one we are getting more than 100. Okay, so first I'm going to place 3 and 5. Let's see. What I'm going to do, first I'm going to place 3 and 5 here and 2. Okay, so we'll multiply. 5 twos are 10, balance 1. Next 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So we are getting only 70. So this is not more than 100. So I'm going to remove, and I'm going to change different number. So now I'm going to drive 5, 3, 2. 53 into 2. So 3 twos are 6, 5 twos are 10. Yes, now we are getting 106, which is close to 100. Okay, next. A dairy has packed buttermilk pouches in the following manner. Find the number of product pouches kept in each arrangement. One is done for you. So here what happened, they have arranged the buttermilk pouches in a group. If you see, in each group we have two packets of buttermilk. So how many such group we have? We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. So we have totally 30, and each group we have 2. So 30 into 2 60. Or else you can calculate like this also. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 rows, 1 2 3 4 5. So 6 into 5 you will get 30. Okay, likewise you have 3 buttermilk pouches in one group. So how many rows we have? 1 2 3 4. You have 4. And how many columns we have? In columns we have 4. 1 2. No, in columns you have 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. In column how much you have? In column you have 5. So 5 fours are 20. And how many buttermilk pouch in each group? You have 3. So 20 into 3, so 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6. So you'll get 60. Okay. And next you have how many in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you have 10 buttermilk in one row. So how many rows you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 into 10 is 60. Or else you can do like this also, because you should get answer 60. So what you have to do? So each row you have 10. Okay, and how many rows you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. So in each bunch you have 10. We have each row, so 10 into 6 is 60. Likewise here what you have? Let's see how many are there. So 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. What other groups can you make? So what other groups can we make? Okay, so how many is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 is there. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5 into 12. So 5 twos are 10, balance 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So you have 60. So 60 into 1 makes 60. 60 ones are 60. Okay, next. Which number am I? So which number am I? So we have some guess. So we need to find out the correct number. I am a 2-digit number. Please find me with the help of following clues. Okay, so all these numbers are 2-digit number. So we need to find out with the help of a clue. Okay, so we will do that one by one. Okay, I am a 2-digit number. Find me with the help of the following clues. So we have a number here, starts with 0 to 99. So there is one hidden number. So we have to find that number. And we have clues here. I am a 2-digit number. Find me with the help. Okay, so the number is 2-digit. That's the first clue. I am greater than 8. So that is the first clue. So the number is greater than 8. Obviously, the two digit number, it is not like 9, 10. It will not be till 9 because it is a two digit number. It should be between 10 and 99. I am not a multiple of 4. So the number is not a multiple of 4 now. Okay. So it means I am lying the numbers 10, 11, 12 up to 99, but it is not a multiple of 4. So it is not any of 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. in 4 tables. So the number is not lying in 4 tables. If you find any numbers that is coming in 4 tables, you have to skip that number. Example 12, 16, 24, 28, 32, like that. Okay. So next, I am a multiple of 9. So the number is multiple of 9. So it should be like 18. And what are the multiples of 9? 27. And what else? 45, 54. So on, we have multiples of 9. Okay. I am an odd number, so this number is an odd number. Okay, we will see. I am not a multiple of 11, so it is not a multiple of 11. So in 9 tables, we are getting multiple of 11 is only 99. So we will see that, but that is not coming in 9 table, so we can skip that. I am less than 50. So this number is less than 50. So we are skipping this. We are going to stop here because they have mentioned I am a multiple of 9. So less than 50, it should be 18, 27 or 45. Let's see. My one digit is an even. So my one digit is an even. My 10th digit is an odd. So my one digit is an even and my 10th digit is an odd. We will see whether we are getting that. So we get 18 in the process which fulfill the condition G and H. So if you see G and H, where is G? My one digit is even, my 10th digit is an odd. So for the number is 18, students. Okay, the correct answer is 18. So did you use all the clues to find out the number? Which clue did not help you in finding the number? So which clue did not help us in finding the number? That is like I am not a multiple of 11 and I am an odd number. So these two clues does not help us to find the number. Okay, next, make your own numbers. So make our own numbers. So these are not example questions, students. It's just a clue to find out a numbers. Okay, so next, make your own number. Choose any two numbers and one operation from the grid. Try making the numbers between 0 and 20. For example, 2 can be formed as 4 minus 2. You can make all the numbers. Okay, so we can start making one by one. Let's do this. Okay, there is no space here. I'll do it here. Okay, so first let me do small things. So we have a minus symbol, we have multiplication, we have addition, and we have division. Okay, so we can try all the things. So first I'm going to minus 5 minus 2. So first one, 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Next I have 2 plus 4, 6. Then when we'll do one multiplication, so 4 into 2, 8, and we will do one division. So we can do as many we can. Okay, so 100 divided by 10, which is 10. Then 25 minus 12, 13. Next, 36 divided by 2, which is 18. Next, seventh one, 100 divided by 5, which is 20, eighth one 12, 12 plus 4 16. Okay, so we can keep on going, students. We can go one by one, or we can try using all the symbols here. Okay, so which number you could not make? So which number you could not make? So which is the number that you cannot make is 19. I don't see any way we can able to make 19 here, uh, because 19 you can able to make only in 19 tables. 19 ones are 19, so I couldn't able to make 19. So you can write, so I can make all numbers except 19, and 0 if only cannot repeat the same number. So 19 is the only number I couldn't able to make here. Okay, next. Order of numbers and multiplication. Order of number and multiplication. Okay, Daljit Karu runs a milk processing unit. She has arranged the butter packets in the following way. Find the number of butter packets in each case. What pattern did you notice or observe? Discuss in the class. Okay, so we will see we have arranged the butter milk packets here. So in first row we have 3 packets, and in second row again we have 3 packets. So 2 into 3, which is 6, and here they have arranged in column. So first column we have 1 2 3, 3 packets. Again in second column we have 1 2 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, if you notice, both the milk packets or the butter packets are same, but the way of arranging is different. Okay, likewise here also what they have did, there is a difference between rows and it is in column. So okay, so we will see in detail. I'll explain you. Okay, here how many columns are there? We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have 8 columns, and how many rows are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5 rows and 8 columns. Okay, so 5 eights are 40. But here the same thing, you are going to get the same answer. 8 fives are 40, but what happened? It is only 1 2 3 4 5, 5 columns and 8 rows. Okay, 5 column and 8 rows, but the buttermilk packets are the same. The amount of the packet is same. So likewise here the number of groups, if you see the group size is 13. So 6 into 13 is also going to give you the same answer, and 13 into 6 is also going to give you the same answer. Okay, so 3 6 are 8, balance 1 minute. I'll do it in a different color. Okay, so 6 threes are 18, 8, balance 1, 6 ones are 6, 78. Likewise, if you do this way, 6 threes are 18, 8 balance 1, 6 ones are 6, 78. So both are same. So if you multiply any number, students, any number, when you interchange both sides, it gives you the same answer. For example, A into B, which is equal to B into A. Okay, if you multiplying 3 into 2 and 2 into 3, this is going to give you the same answer. Okay, so it's going to give you the same answer. So that is what it is written here also. So the number of groups and the number of size are interchanged in each case, but the total number of butter packets remains the same. Even though if we interchange the numbers in multiplication, the answer is going to be the same. Okay, for example, here 10 fives are 50, 5 tens are also 50. Okay, and 8 into 20 is 160. 20 into 8 is also 160. Next you have 12 nines are, so 12 nines are 108 and 9 twelves are 108. Okay, what is 9 into 0? 0 into 9. So 9 into 0 and 0 into 9 both are 0. Okay, any number multiplied by 0 you will be getting 0. Alright, these kind of question is exam important question, students. So far these questions are not for your exam, but this question you will be getting in exam. So we will see one by one. Next, patterns in multiplication by tens and hundreds, important question for your exam, students. So let us revise multiplication by tens and hundreds. So I'm telling you one thing, multiplying by 10 and hundreds is very easy. Okay, all you're going to do is you're going to take the number of zeros mentioned in the number. For example, if they are giving 20 into 100, what you have to do, you have to take how many zeros? You have 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, and you have to multiply these two numbers. 2 ones are 2. That's all. It's going to be very simple. Likewise, if they are giving 3 into 100, then how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. And how many numbers? 3 ones are 3. Likewise, any number you can do. For example, if you have 7t into 200, so how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So put 1, 2, 3. 7 twos are 14. That's all. Okay, so multiplying is going to be very easy if they give hundreds and tens. Okay, so now we will do these sums. So first again, how many zeros are there? 1 0. So put 1. So 4 ones are 4, 40. Okay, next how many zeros? You have 2 zeros. So put 2 zeros. Wait, I'll write it in black. Okay, 0. 4 ones are 4. Next you have 2 zeros, put the 2 zeros. 2 ones are 2. Next again you have 2 zeros, put 2 zeros. 4 ones are 4. 400. So here 2 zeros, 1 ones are 1. So again put 2 zeros. And you have 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. So next you have 2 put the 2 zeros. 8 ones are 8. Okay, again here I told you, right, a into b is equal to b into a. Likewise 3 into 100, which is equal to 100 into 3, both are 300 only. Okay, so here 8 into 100, which is 800, which is also 100 into 8. Okay, so 10 into 100, how many zeros you have? 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros you have, and you have 1 ones are 1000. So 10 into 100 is 1000. Also 100 into 10 is 1000. Okay, students, if you are joining tuition, I'll be giving lot of sums to practice for your exam. So I request everyone to join the tuition so that you can able to score more marks in your examination. Okay, so next we will see, find the answer to the following question, fill in the table below and describe the pattern, discuss us in the class. Okay, so here again the same questions. So how many zeros we have? So we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros are already there. So 9 ones are 9. And here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Put 3 zeros. 4 ones are 4. 4000. Okay. Again how many zeros you have? 2 zeros. 6 fives are 30. Okay. Next. So you have 2 and 3. 3 twos are 6. 2 zeros are already here. Likewise you have 2 zeros. And next 7 fours are. 7 into 4 is 28. So 700 into 4 is 2800. So 2 8. Okay. Next you have 1 0. So 45 into 10. So 0. So 45 into 1 is 45. 45 ones are 45. So 10 into 45 is 450. Okay. Very easy. So next we have given 30 into 10 is 300. So in which you have 30. Next you have 20, which is 600. So 30 is 10 is 300. 30 into 20 is 600. That is 10 is multiplied by 2 and 300 is also multiplied by 2. Notice the underlined number. So if you notice the underlined number, 2 and 6 is underlined. So 30 into 2. So 3 into 10 into 2 into 10, which is equal to 6 into 100. So they have splitted these numbers. Okay. They have splitted and written this number. If you see this table, you can able to understand easily. So how should you write 450 in the below table? So here they have given. So 10 into 45. So how do you write? Where you get 400 here? 100, and you have tens and you have ones here. Likewise 400 into 10, where is 400 into 10? We get 4000. So 1000 place is 4 and 100 place is 0, tens place is 0 and ones place is also 0. 7 into 8, where is 7 into 8? So we didn't have here, so we will do here. So 7 into 8, so 0, we have 2 zeros and 7 eights are. So 7 eights are 56. So 5, 6, 56,000. So 100 into 90, 100 into 90, 3 zeros which I have already filled. 9 ones are 9. Okay. So now they have filled in thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So we can multiply the numbers in any order, students. That's what they have mentioned here. Okay, we can multiply in any order. 3 into 2, which comes 6. We can put 6 here. Next 10 twos are 10, 1, 10 into 10 is 100. 10 tens are 100. So again 6 into 100, you will get 600. Likewise 3 into 10 is 30. 30 into 2 is 60. 60 into 10, you will get 600. So 600, which is equal to 600. Okay. Next. So next we have given with few problems. So I'm going to do that. So 50 into 50. So what? 60 into 50. So again 2 zeros. 6 fives are 30. So 60 into 50 is 3000. So ones place you have 0, tens place you have 0, hundreds place you have 0, thousands place you have 3. Okay. Next you have 220 into 20. So 220 into 20. I'll erase this. So 220 into 20. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. So you will get 0, 0, 4, 4. So 4400. So 0, 0, 4 and 4. Okay. So next you have 11 into 300. So 11 into 300. So this one also you can easily write, students. 2 zeros. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. Again you have 80 into 90. So you have 2 zeros. Again put 2 zeros here. 8 nines are 72. So 7200. So next you have 10 into 63. So 10 into 63 is very easy. So 10 times 63 is 630. Next 400 and sorry 40. So 40 into 12. So 40 into 12, where I can put, I'll put here 40 into 12, 0. 4 twos are 8, 0. 4 ones are 4, 0, 8, 4, 480. So 0, 8 and 4. So multiplication is going to play a very major role in this chapter, students. So I want everyone to practice multiplication. Okay. So page number 73, we will close this video. The next video I'll continue from page number 74. Okay, next. What will happen if we multiply by 1000? So far we multiplied using 10 and 100. So now what is going to happen if we multiply using the number 1000? Nothing is going to change, students, only the digit is going to add. Okay. For example, 2 into 1000 gives you 2000, which is 2000s. Again 5 into 1000 you will get 5000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, if you get 9 into 1000, you will get 9000. So you will get 9000, which is 9 comma 0 0 0. Like this you have 9 times 1000. Okay, so 10 into 1000 is 10,000. So 20 into 1000 is 20,000. So 30 into 1000 is 30,000. 40 into 1000 is 40,000. Nothing is going to change. So let's fill this. So let us fill in the table and observe the pattern. So you have 2 into 1000, you got 2000. 5 into 1000, 5000. 10 into 1000, 10,000. 20 into 1000 is 20,000. So now you have 3 into 5000. So 3 into 5000. Very easy. As I told you, you can take these 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros I have taken. 5 threes are 15. So 15,000. Again take these 3 zeros. 0, 0. 0 0 0. Next 8 into 3. 8 threes are 24. So 24,000. Okay. Next you have 3 zeros again. 0 0 0. 7 fives are 35. Okay. Next is very easy. Again 0 0 0 0 0. 2 ones are 2. Again 3 zeros you have. 0 0 0. 5 4. 5 fours are 20. Next you have 3 zeros again. 0 0 0. 6 threes are 18. Okay, so 60 into 300 is 18,000. Again, if you see here, you have 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, 0, 0, 0, and 3 into 6 into 3, 8. 1 minute, students. Is 18. 6 threes are 18. Again, you have 0, 0, 0. 8 into 9. 8 nines are 72. Again you have 3 zeros. Next 7 tables. 7 6 are 42. So last you have 3 zeros. 0 0 0. And 7 into 5. 7 fives are 35. Okay. So many ways to multiply. So we have many ways to multiply. So what is 18 into 5? So 18 into 5. 18 fives are 90. Do you think there are all are correct? Why do you so? So the half of 18 is 9. So 18 fives are, first I will write here, 18 fives are 90. So what is half of 18? Half 18 is 9. So 9 into 5 is 45. So 9, if I am going to multiply 9 into 5, I am going to get 45. So 45 is double of 90. So 45 plus 45, you will get 90. First I double 18 to get 36. So first I'm going, what the next second step, what I'm doing, I'm doubling this. So if I double this, I will get 36. Then I double 36 to get 72. So again I'm doubling this. What I will get? I will get 72. Then I will add 18 plus 72 to get 90. So next what I will do? I will add these two numbers. Then I will get 90. For example, 72 plus 18. So 8 plus 2 is 0, balance 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 90. So I will get 90. I separate I separated 18 into 8 and 10. So now next what I am doing, I am separating this 18, which is 8 and 10. So 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10 is 18. So I am separating this. Now what I am doing, I am multiplying 8 plus 5. I'm sorry, 8 into 5, which I will get 40. Next I will multiply 10 into 5, which is 50. Then if I add it together again, I will get 90. So there are many ways to multiply, students, not only this way which we did. So there are many ways to pattern. So here see again there is one more step. So 18 into 5 is 5. So 9 into 10. So it is 90. I did 20 into 5, which is 100. Then I took away 2 into 5, which is also 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90. So this is also one of the method. So likewise we have many methods in mathematics and for calculations also. So all we are going to see many methods here. Okay, so we will see this in our part 2 video, students. All the very best. So if you need any additional information, you contact me to this number 7418619174. Okay, 7418619174. All right, bye bye, students. Take care and be safe.